Come on a tour of my preschool classroom. We've been in school for 3 weeks now, so it's time for a refresh. I change my centers every 2 to 3 weeks.
Red, red, apples are red.
Red, red, apples are red.
This week we're doing an All About Me and Map Man theme. Map Man comes from Handwriting Without Tears and teaches us how to draw a person. They can use an already made blue mat and create Map Man at the Play-Doh Center. We're also creating Map Man at the Writing Center. They have a paper that already has his blue mat on it, and they're going to draw his other body parts. The fair is going on this week in our county, so we have our fair word cards. And then these are in my fine motor pack. Students are making sticker shapes. We are still learning a shape of the day. Each day our new shape is at the easel. We used a square craft punch to punch out all of these mini squares, and they're going to glue it around the big square. We're also working on All About Me pictures at the art table. We'll add some All About Me questions to those pictures. My assistant does that at center time with the students. At the messy table we have kinetic sand and ice cream scoops. I love the feeling of fresh kinetic sand. At the Science Center, we have our science viewers, our kaleidoscope cameras, 2 of our sensory bottles. These are made with Voss water bottles. The mixture is usually about 50% water, 50% corn syrup. We're using another sensory bottle to do an I Spy. I found all of these little trinkets around my house, laid them out and took a picture, and then put them into the bottle. At the Library Center, we have some farm books and All About Me books, and Llama Llama Red Pajama for our listening center. This week at school, we'll have our color days. You can see each day is marked on the calendar with a new color. We'll wear as much of that color as we can. Tomorrow's red day, so our question of the day is, are you wearing red? We have another Map Man building activity at the carpet. Students will use the picture and try to build Map Man with the blocks. At our Synergy Center, we're working together to complete a puzzle. The puzzle pieces get hidden in the pluffle, and they pull one out to stick in the puzzle.
Square, square, napkins are square.
Square, square, napkins are square.
We're also focusing on shapes and colors, so we have our colors at the door and the shapes at this high five. We have magnetiles at our magnet center. And at our block center, students can create their own town. We have some community helper buildings, community helper cars, train set, and architectural blocks. And then we always have our wooden blocks and our ramps on the other shelves. Our dramatic play is staying a kitchen because students are really excited being there. We just added some new food, mops and brooms and pans so that it is a little bit refreshed. Over at our bin center, since we're working on shapes, we brought out our shape magnet board and then our pre-writing lines board. We're very blessed to have a shared closet full of these bins, so we just switch them out every few weeks. These are used for table time when we first come to school, but students can also get them out at center time. That's it for our first classroom switch. Let me know what you think. If there are any resources that you liked in the video, they're on preschoolvibes.com.